Got right here 5 high-end knives by Mafian, CKF, Russian brand. Hard to get those. We got right here Tech and Medford. All beautiful knives. Let's see what we got. We'll start with Mafian Compactor Dawn. These things are highly collectible. Comes with a pouch. There's a certificate of authenticity. It's out of metal. It was made in 2025, serial number 25. Usually it also says on a knife. So first time opening it. Also this side here can go over here. Beautiful. Wow, that's really big. Wow, that's nice. So this is a Compactor Dawn. Regular one cost around $550 because this is by Mafian, limited edition. This side here, ooh, fingerprints. It's used, obviously. This side here is like $1,100, so $1,200, so double. And it's a nice 25 serial, lucky number for some people. Okay, whoa, that's a nice and stone pull. Does it has any kind of dents on it? I don't see any, but there you go. You got it here. Is it double blade? Yeah, wow, this is a what is it called? Usually tell you what kind of blade that is. Stonewash Elmax steel, so very nice steel. Clip point bronze DCL. You know what? I never seen a drop point with the double sharp edge. So this sharp edge you can go this way and cut up things, or a regular knife right here like a kitchen knife. That is one of a kind. Wow, that's a really nice and big knife. Beautiful. Soft clip. Look at that button. All that little detail is very important. Somebody was carrying it. As you can see, that logo is like wearing out a little bit. And that kind of little things usually affects the price. And also you want to look at the blade, but it's Elmax. That thing sharp for life usually. I don't see too much damage on the blade. So this is a nice collectible knife right here for sure. It is quite snappy. It is really hard to pull. So yeah, beautiful. Wow. Another Mafian custom knives. What we got here? Closer. DCL Apocalyptic Elmax, DCL Apocalyptic Titanium. Alright. There's a little microfiber towel. That's kind of cool. That never been used. Definitely gonna keep it this way. This is no serial number, so that means probably pre-production. And looks like it's extra signed over here. Looks like a fish. That is so cool. Wow. I think that's what it means. It's pre-production when there is no serial numbers. Again, probably gonna put this in here so it doesn't scratch up my knife. It's kind of cool. You can put it anywhere. You can put something else over here if you wish to. But yeah. Oh wow, that thing is fun. This is like a flipper. Ooh, that's smooth. And it's so comfortable. My goodness, this is nice. Look like 2 bamboo sticks. There's right here some markings on it. So K-Hara and Mafian's collaboration. And it's closer than 2015, I think it says. Yep. Beautiful. Let's see how nice it is and smooth. Pretty smooth. Let's see if we can open it like a spider claw. Hit my finger. Oh yeah, for sure. It is a nice flipper right here. Love that. That is a definitely nice piece for your collection. And obviously you can open it this way. And maybe not so much. Because whenever I try to open it this way, you see that flipper hit my finger right here. So maybe just open it with a flipper how you're supposed to. Beautiful knife right here. What do you guys think? This thing's very collectible, highly desirable, especially in a nice condition. Who does not like themselves a really nice Russian knife? So you got that here, 520 knife, 11/20/21, so pretty new. Really hard to find that kind of knives. They sell out. Wow, beautiful. Usually CK knives around $600. This one is close to like $900. And look how it opens. It's a front flipper. Is it a drop point knife? Looks like a regular kitchen knife. Frame lock. M390 and serial number 139. With these things you gotta be careful of putting your finger away because they're so sharp they will cut you. So I like to kinda break through, get my fingers away and close it. So I just go like this. Do you see how smooth that is? It is the smoothest knives I ever seen. One of the smoothest knives ever. Wow, that is so cool. Is this carbon fiber? Ooh, look at that clip. Nice and soft clip. M390 Demo steel. And handle is Thai CF Timascos Kutai, whatever that is. I think this side here is the Timascos. That's what it's made of. So is the clip too. That thing is fun. So smooth, I can't believe it. Love this knife. Okay, HereTech, it's like a Microtech, but part of the family, different company. Manticore X. Ooh, wow, this thing it just came out new. This side here is a carbon fiber. Camo Carbon, awesome 80s back cover. That's what they name it. So that's what they're looking at it. Wow, it's so smooth. And right here you got serial number 57. This thing, as soon as it came out, they were sold out instantly from the ncblade.com. That's why I buy my knives, a lot of them. Tanto blade, that's a shape blade. That thing is awesome. Check this out. I should do it with the left hand so you guys can see this blade right here. I mean the handle. The handle what makes the knife actually awesome in this case. Wow, it's tight. It's a long pull. Where's the balance? That's usually normal. Anyways, next, Medford. So you see ncblade.com, that's why I bought it from. So the model is Genesis T. But you know, Medford is so cool. They make a lot of unique stuff, like custom stuff, finish and all that good stuff. Alright, looks like some kind of comics. That's good. I really love their little cases. And a dog tag over here. So this one comes with a whole bunch of swag, and it was made in December 28, 2021, so it's only a month old. And these things are really hard to get. When you order them, it takes almost 6 months to get. And it has this beautiful American flag on it. How do you open it? Medfords are designed to be tight, so they don't open very easily. You kind of have to open them with 2 hands. They will get loosened up after a while. But yeah, that thing is beautiful. Check this out. One of a kind knife over here. They run limited editions with this different handle and different blade like design on it. You see, like this one has a flag. This thing is closer to $800 knife, but it is nice. Definitely a weekend carrier. Or a 4th of July carrier. You know, you just have to have a knife for 4th of July. Let's see if I can flick it this way. Yeah, just hard. It will smooth out after a while. But yeah, beautiful Medford's beast of a knife. I really love how thick they are. So yeah, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. Obviously a lot of people are going to say Mafians, but yeah, for good reason. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.